If you want to build an app but you don't know how to code, AI app builders can help you turn your idea into real working application very quickly. Two tools many people talk about today are Emergent and Base44. Both use artificial intelligence to create web apps from simple instructions, but which one is better for beginners like you? In this video, I will explain both platforms clearly and simple way so you can decide which one fits for your needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online project and also help you to pick the best tools without confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links in the description to check out the special offers or free trial for Emergent or Base44. By using the description links, any discounts or bonus they will be applied automatically, so you get the best value. Now let's start with Base44 basically. Base44 is an AI app builder that lets you create web application by simply describing your ideas in natural language. You don't need coding skills. Base44 handle the user interface, authentication, database setup, and many more. And it can generate a working app in just a few minutes based on your prompt. It also includes a visual editor where you can click and edit the elements like colors, margin, or text right on the screen, which makes it very beginner friendly. One of the big advantages of Base44 is the speed. When testers build a full project management app with authentication, dashboards, reports, and notifications, Base44 produced a working version in under 6 minutes, which is very fast for an AI builder. It has many pre-built templates you can choose from, so you don't need to start from scratch. This makes Base44 a strong choice if you want to launch simple apps quickly and without technical setup. Base44 also provides the integration with common tools like Stripe for the payment, Slack, and Zapier so you can connect your app to other services easily. There is managed hosting included, so once your app is generated, you can publish it with one click. Because all of this, many beginners and non-technical founders prefer the Base44 for rapid prototyping or testing the ideas. But there are some downside also. You should know about that. Some user on community forum mentioned that Base44 can have the bugs, changes that break existing project and weaker support at time. There are also discussion about the platform lock-in, meaning your app may depend on Base44 infrastructure, so moving it elsewhere can be hard if you don't export it properly. This can be an important point if you plan to scale your app in the future. Now let's talk about the Emergent. Emergent is another AI app builder that also creates full stack application from natural language prompts. But its focus is slightly different. Instead of just fast generation, Emergent tries to produce the clean, maintainable code that is ready for production use. This means the app it builds can be easier to take off the platform and continue developing later, which can be important if you want long-term control. Emergent uses the powerful AI model, including the latest AI engine like GPT-5 and specialized multi-agent workflows to handle both the front-end and the back-end logic automatically. The code it generates follow the professional structure, validation, authentication, and clean architecture, which means developer can understand and extend the code without any confusion. However, Emergent tends to be slower than Base44 because it takes more time to generate production-ready app. For example, building a feature-rich booking system might take up to an hour, which is longer than Base44 rapid 6-minute buildings. Emergent also has the steeper learning curve, which means beginner might feel a bit overwhelmed at first, especially if they are not familiar with technical details like APIs or database integrations. So how do these tools compare for the beginners? Base44 win when it comes to easy to use, speed, and quick deployment. It's intuitive, has the visual editor, and gets you working app much faster with minimal effort. This makes it ideal if you are new to app building and want to test the ideas without coding. Emergent wins when you care about the code and the quality, long-term control, and scalability. If you plan to grow your app into something bigger, hand the code to a developer, or keep developing it over time, Emergent's production ready output and cleaner architecture may be more useful. In short, Base44 often the better choice for the beginners and the non-technical creator who want to launch quickly, while Emergent is better for those people who want the deeper control and a stronger code foundation for the future growth. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between Emergent and Base44. So you can choose the best AI app builder for beginners. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more tutorials, tool review and tech tips. And don't forget to use the links in the description. Any special offer or discount, they will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we explore more tools, help you to build and grow you online.